Greetings from the 6th floor of Building W143 on a chilly March day here in Norfolk, Virginia. I'm sending this video because I want to highlight some things that will be happening in the next month that will have a large impact on all NAVSUP FLC Norfolk supervisors. As you've already heard by now, on April 1st, the NAVSUP enterprise will move to the Defense Performance Management and Appraisal Program, otherwise known as DPMAP. This performance management system will replace the two legacy systems that we've been using for many years: PARS for bargaining unit personnel and IPMS for non-bargaining unit personnel. Under DPMAP, all employees will now use the same system. DPMAP will represent a new way of doing business, and it's therefore important that we as supervisors take the time that's necessary to prepare for its implementation. By now, each of you should have attended the one-day DPMAP training course being conducted by NAVSUP. That course gave you a basic understanding of DPMAP and how it will work. It also introduced you to the My Performance tool in MyBiz that will be used for creating and managing performance plans under this program. The intent of this video and the accompanying documentation is to give you some more specific guidance on the implementation here at NAVSUP Fleet Logistics Center Norfolk. There are some important actions you'll need to take over the next 6 weeks, and it's imperative that every supervisor achieve these for 100% of their employees by the published deadlines. Unfortunately, there's no leeway on these deadlines. They absolutely can't be missed. So please don't put this off as something to get to later when the deadlines are closer. Instead, ensure this is something you're being very proactive with. Now's the time to start thinking about such things as employees who will be on travel or who have requested spring break vacation time in April. Please don't allow yourself to get caught off guard shortly before a deadline by a circumstance that will make it difficult for you to meet that deadline. The first step I'm asking you to take is to log in immediately to the MyBiz system to ensure you have access to it and can see the performance management and appraisal option under your manager functions. If you can't get into the My Performance main page, now's the time to work with Code 300 to get that resolved. Another thing I ask you to look at immediately is the list of subordinates who show under your supervision when you look at the My Team window. If there's anyone missing, please use the Add Employee function to pull them into your code. If you need assistance with this, please contact us here at Code 300 and we'll walk you through the process. Again, it's imperative that we identify problems here as early as possible because personnel actions may be required to fix some issues. Next, it's time to start creating performance plans for all your personnel. The system is open and you can start creating those plans today. There's a tight deadline to get them done. We're asking that you have all records created by the close of business on Monday, April the 2nd, and to have everything routed with all signatures completed by April the 24th. The slides that accompany this video have full details on how to create these performance plans, where to find templates for the critical elements you'll be writing, and how to get help if you need it. We're just coming out of an IG inspection in which the command didn't have a single finding on performance plans or performance evaluations. That's the first time we've done so well on this in decades, and it's all because of the hard work you've been putting into PARS and IPMS. I know we can all pitch in together to make the command equally successful in our DPMAP implementation. Thank you for making this a priority over the next 6 weeks.